Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. A special treasure map waits to be explored and understood. Sudden trouble appears, and everything feels urgent at once. The danger grows quickly, leaving no time to pause. A helpful word becomes important in this moment: quench. Quench means stopping heat or fire before it spreads. Quick thinking matters more than perfect timing. The heat is stopped just in time. The map stays safe, even after the close call. Calm returns, and the danger is gone. Timo remembers that stopping heat or fire fast is called quench, and the moment stays clear in his mind.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.